stop sign. Wait a minute. How about a red light? Jesus Christ. Sorry, it's a red light. Second, that was red. Straight from the turn lane, thank you. There's a cop there, stupid. You're not supposed to get into the lane, you know. Slow down, move over, slow down, move over, slow down, move over. Slow down, move over, slow down, move over. Oh dear. A little slippery out this morning, I guess. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, out that way station dive. Wonder that was premature exit dive. Hello, hello, hello. Dude, control your friggin' dog. Hey, hello. Stop sign, did you not see that? Hello, hello, hello. Oh, don't do it. Just don't fucking do it. Scumbag. Terribly sorry if I'm holding you up. Cut through the parking lot, yeah. Yep, you cut through the parking lot. Nitwit. Nitwit. He just ran the red back there too. Thank you. Exit regret. Exit regret. Jesus Christ. I knew I should be watching the Subaru. What are you doing? No, no, no. Don't take a left turn from that lane. Hello? 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 Did you not see that thing there? Yep. Yep. That on. Didn't even leave that on. You ran the red. Yeah. Good morning. Nice. Night. You use the climbing lane, stupid, when there's a tractor trailer coming. Go. 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 Yield. 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 She looks and she goes anyway. Red light runner! And 1, 2, direct to the left lane. Hello, hello, hello! Gina, twiggy twiggies. Ugh! Fuck Christ's sake, they just fixed that, didn't they? Is that exit dive? No messages. Okay. Stop for the stop sign, Toyo turd. Stop for the stop sign, Toyo turd. Stop for the stop sign, Maz turd. And another Toyo turd.